If you're using Remitly to send money to India and your transaction gets cancelled without a clear explanation, you're not alone. Many users face this issue while using Remitly in India, but don't worry, there are steps you can take to resolve the situation quickly and smoothly. Step 1. Check your email and app notifications. Remitly usually sends an update via email or within the app if your transfer is cancelled. Check both to see if there's any hidden clue, like a mismatch in bank details, verification issues, or compliance checks. Step 2. Make sure the recipient's bank details are correct. You know, one of the most common reasons for a cancellation is actually entering the wrong bank account details or IFSC code. Double-check the information you've provided. If it's incorrect, just update the details and try resending the money. Step 3. Contact Remitly customer support. If you still don't get a clear answer, the best way to resolve the issue is by speaking to a Remitly support agent. You can contact them via website live chat at www.remitly.com, or you can reach them by phone for India, call 1-800-572-0532. For the US, call 1-888-736-4859. You can also email them at service@remitly.com. Their support is available 24/7 in multiple languages. Step 4. Verify your identity documents. Sometimes Remitly may pause or cancel your transfer if your KYC documents need re-verification. Log into your account and check if there's a document submission request. Upload the required documents such as your passport, visa, or Aadhaar card if asked. Step 5. Refund process. If your money transfer to India via Remitly is cancelled, the full amount is, automatically refunded to your original payment method. Refunds can take anywhere from 1 to 7 business days, depending on your bank. Step 6. Explore alternatives. If delays persist, you might want to consider using other services temporarily, like Wise, Zoom, or even Western Union. But, always keep an eye on your Remitly account for any updates. Remitly India services are usually pretty reliable, but technical or compliance issues can sometimes cause unexpected cancellations. Stay calm, follow the steps we discussed, and you'll be able to either complete your transfer or get your money back without any hassle.